Hey there guys, Lucio6 here, and today what I got here is a 1999 Lasko 3733 box fan. So here's a little backstory to it. So this was a antique find and not a trash find, and turns out that the antique store where I got it from, along with a couple of other stuff, like this rare blue peppermint spinning snowflake snowman, it was in the red dumpster because it was snapped off the base, but it's fixed now. But back to that. I found it in the basement of an antique store that's going out of business. Apparently everyone was getting rid of most of that stuff because the store is closing. I found it all the way at the back of the basement, and it had no blade on it. And the grill was detached, and it was in a different spot of the basement. And I had to do like a little bit on it, like I had to replace the blade. I got it out of one of my 3733s from the mid to late 90s. This one right there. And works flawlessly after putting it back together and cleaning it. So here it is. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I had to tape the cord because a partial bit of the cord was chewed up, but thankfully it still conducts power, so it's like not chewed up all the way where it can't connect anymore. It's medium. Here is high. And yeah, that's the 3733 from 1999, and that's about it. I'll see you in another video. Peace, guys.